Hello all, welcome to our channel. Today I got a new job notification for you. Before we get into the video, I request you to please subscribe to get daily job updates. In order to apply for this job, you need to first open www.lightjobsinfo.com. Then you will find this job in the experienced column, or else you can also find in the top notifications in the news flash. I request you to please click on that. Now let's apply for that. Sorry. So I request you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website to get daily job notifications. Now let us see which company is hiring. So I have Dell Technologies that is hiring for system engineer. So they are hiring for the experienced system engineer. So about organization, as all of us know, Dell is an American MNC company headquartered in Round Rock, Texas. It was formed as a result of the September 2016 merger of Dell and EMC Corporation. We are a diverse team with unique perspectives united in our purpose, our strategy, and our culture, driven by our ambition and the power of technology to drive human progress, unwavering in our commitment to equality, trust, and advocacy of one another. Our culture code defines who we are, describes what we believe, and sets clear expectations for how we look and how we lead. Our culture is defined by our values and made real every day by how we work and we lead. We know our culture is the foundation for all achieved and for the success ahead of us. This is our culture code. So this is what the Dell is. Dell is a very good MNC company. If you are eligible and if you get a small job also, you can just go through it. Why? Because it is a very good MNC company. So I think it gives a great platform to work, and the work-life balance will be great. And I request you to please join in any of these groups to get daily job updates. So here we can see the designation is senior system engineer. So they are hiring for the experienced candidates around 8 to 12 years of related experience in the relationship selling role. So salary is negotiable and the location is New Delhi, India. Now let us see the essential requirements. Before we go through it, I request you to please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet to get daily job updates. So it gives me a immense of motivation to prepare more videos and job postings, and we provide genuine job postings daily. So I request you to please subscribe. And the essential requirements are like excellent communication, relationship and leadership skills in industry, ability to present to executive level and articulate the Dell technology solutions, in-depth understanding of markets, technologies, products and services, and experience is like 8 to 12 years of related experience in a relationship selling role. Desirable requirements would be like advanced experience in a relationship selling role, bachelor's degree, and the last date to apply for this job role is November 30, 2021. In order to apply, just click on this official link. You will be redirected to the Dell Technologies website. So just click on this block or allow. Okay, so just accept the cookies. So here you can see the complete description. So you can just go through the complete description here. So you can see that what you will be able to achieve through this job, that all been mentioned here. I request you to please just go through it. Like you will be achieving as a senior system engineer, you will provide pre-sales technical support to our field sales team, helping to define the overall Dell technology solution for our customers using the full range of company products and services. You will build and lead relationships for highly sophisticated customer accounts, contact customer needs analysis and anticipate requirements beyond existing solution scope. Prepare detailed product specifications to enable the sales of our products and solutions and deliver impact presentations at customer facilities. Verify operability of sophisticated product and service configurations within the customer's environment. Perform advanced systems integration and provide technical expertise to design and implement the solution. Take the first step towards your dream career. Every Dell Technologies team member brings something unique to the table. Here's what we are thinking of us in this role. Like as we mentioned earlier, the essential requirements are already been said, like good communication skills and 8 to 12 years of experience is needed for this job. So I request you to please go through the complete job description. And the last day to apply is November 30, 2021. So just go through it, and if you are eligible, just click on this apply now button and just apply it. And you need to enter your first name, last name, email address, phone number, category, like job category. Like you can select any of this, like it comes under the IT or digital, so you can just apply it. So career level should be like once you fill all these details, you will get location, preferred location, that is what they are asking. So you can just enter all those details. I request you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will get daily job notifications. And also in our website we will be providing so many job postings. Just go through our website. Daily we will be providing lot of job information which are genuine. So I request you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I have in order to apply, I have also provided a link in the description. uh, I request you to please just click on that link and you will be able to apply for this job. Have a great day. Thank you.